Hello guys, welcome to the studio. So quick one, breaking news, Akai fans, once again we are at it now, and if you have any of the Akai MPC, the new devices, I will advise you go to their website to go and download the updated firmware. Right now we have 2.11.4. I think it was released during the week, so just quickly go there and grab a copy. You can easily do that by downloading the drive, the image onto your SD card and then inserting it in, and then you can actually just update from there. That's if you do not have your device wired to the internet directly. I've got my connector to the internet directly, and I was able to do the download, and just like you can see on the screen right now, that's basically how simple it is now to do your download. And then another news, if you are one of those producers who love to produce more when you get around maybe like new things, as producers, a lot of things inspire us. It's not just only about let me go make the beat. It could be a new environment. Oh yeah, I love my new studio, I work more. Or I love my new device, I work more. Or oh, I love the new sounds I'm hearing, I work more. Some people are actually inspired by a couple of those things. So if you're the type that really will be inspired by having more sounds, right now, as at the time of this recording, the fabric instrument, that is the fabric collection that used to be about kind of like almost $250, I think, is now on sale for like about $99, the whole collection. So you can go there and grab a copy. Personally, for me, well, I can generate what I need, but for the sake of our viewers, and our subscribers, I will be grabbing a copy, and I'll let you know once I do, so that we can also do what we do best on it. We'll just pick one of them and see what we can do with it. We can see what kind of beats we can produce with it. So I'm definitely going to be doing a lot of that for you. I'm talking of the entire collection, just like you can see on the screen right now. They're promising to give you that all for just I think about $99, right? Just about 100. So go ahead, grab it, and also don't forget to do your updates. That will be all for now. We'll see you in the next one.